Welcome back to My Creative Year 2018, and it's week number 4. I can't believe it's already week 4. Wow, time is flying already. Anyhow, this month's prompt is budget friendly, so staying along those lines of budget friendly, I'm going to go, and this week's prompt is dig in the dark. So I am going to go into my new art closet and I'm going to dig in the dark. All right, I have a little walk-in closet, not this closet behind me, but a closet that's right outside my art room. It's a little walk-in closet. It's actually supposed to be like a wardrobe closet kind of thing for, you know, extra clothes or whatever, but I've claimed it for my art supplies. And yes, I am an art hoarder. I admit it. So I am going to go dig in the dark in one of my filing cabinets where I keep all kinds of bits and bobs of things to create with for a rainy day. I've been saving for a rainy day. I don't know why I've been saving it, but yeah, I guess sometimes we collect things and then either we forget about them, or we just think they're so pretty and lovely that we shouldn't even use it, or we're afraid to use it perhaps, that we might make a mistake, which really there's no such thing as mistakes in art, because a lot of those mistakes, quote unquote mistakes, can be corrected. All right, so without further ado, I am going to go dig in the dark. So enjoy my process.
All right, so I'm here. And I'm going to ask Alexa to turn off my closet light because I have some smart bulbs in my light, whatever you want to call it, my lights in the closet here. So Alexa, turn off closet light. All right, so I'm in the dark. And yeah, it's very dark in here. Very dark in here. Okay, so I'm going to start digging in my cabinet here and dig for things that I could use for this project. So I'm trying to dig things out, and I'm going to try to use everything that I dig out, all right? I'm going into different drawers, so if you hear a lot of drawer openings, it's because I'm digging for things. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see what I come up with, all right? And I am going to try to use as much of what I pick, get out of here as possible, all right? And I'm not sure, but we'll see what I can get into these drawers as I dig in the dark. Oh, isn't that fun, digging in the dark? Oh my, okay. I'm going into almost every drawer in my art cabinet and just digging around and trying to find things that I could use for something. I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but, we'll see what I get, right? What I come up with. All kinds of goodies in here that I've been saving for rainy days, so, oh geez. I don't even know what I'm digging for in this one. There's all kinds of stuff in here. So it'll be interesting what I get in all of these different places for things. I don't even know what that is, but we'll see. Yes, there are a lot of drawers in this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see what I've got, what I have dug up here, because I have no clue what I've dug up. All right. Alexa, turn on art light.
Sorry, I didn't find art light.
Alexa, turn on closet light. So,
okay.
Oh my gosh, okay, so we'll see if I can use any of this. Oh, oh my, okay, So stay tuned, and you'll see me in a few with showing you exactly what I got dug out, alright? Alright, so you saw the things I got out of here, or at least you saw the handful of stuff. So I've got these things here that I dug in the dark for. I've got these things, and then I've got my embellishments that I made from last week. And I've got, I don't know why I didn't know I was digging out more completed clay pieces. So I'm not quite sure if I'll even use these, okay? And I got this box. So I'm thinking of possibly putting the box together, creating a little box but decorating it. This was from Trader Joe's. If you have a Trader Joe's in your area, they're a great little grocery store. And it was a chocolate truffles. Oh, they were so good. So I happened to like the box, and I thought, okay, rainy day, right? So yeah, okay. So being that we're still on the budget-friendly idea and digging in the dark for things that you have been stashing away for a rainy day or whatever, think about, you know, using them or losing them like last week. Use it or lose it, right? So I'm going to start working on this, and so I hope that you'll enjoy my process as I try to figure out how I'm going to use some of these pieces and incorporate them into the box, all right? So enjoy my process, and I may go and look for other bits and bobs of things that I have in another area of my art room, so I'm kind of cheating a little, but you know, I might not like what's here. And I'm sorry if you're hearing my next door neighbor's dogs barking. I don't know what their deal is, but unfortunately my new next door neighbors, they've built a doggy door that they leave open, and the dogs can come and go as they please in and out, which is great and all, but however, having said that, their dogs tend to bark quite a bit. So I apologize already in advance if you hear the barking in the background. So anyway, so I'm going to get started, and I'm going to speed through this, so enjoy my process. this week's prompt and that you'll go check out My Creative Year. Thanks again for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next week. Bye, toodles. Have a wonderful day.